girl Z
and your boy Dave.
And if y'all didn't,
back with another banger.
Yeah. Oh my God.
If y'all ain't watched the last video,
then
stop what you're doing and go watch it.
Yeah.
Where we made the pizzas.
Recap. We made these pizzas. We did not show the ending, so we're gonna show you guys now. Ooh, hot. Especially hot and just came out. Y'all, we like our cheese like this. I put it on 450. That is super hot. No. So we put it on 450 so like the inside can be ooey gooey and outside is like real crispy or whatever. So these are like extremely huge. Hold it up, we need that thumbnail. Oh! That is so hot. So we finna eat. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you
also
are
turn on
new.
post notification.
Okay.
So every time we upload, you get a ding.
Yeah, y'all, Davey is so excited about this pizza. So anyways, my cheese like kind of cooked too hard on me. And look, y'all, I put the butter at the bottom so it don't stick.
Oh, my bad. I'm already eating.
Oh, hold on. Amen. Amen. Hold on. I'm going to rip off the first piece. Mine got onions and peppers and a whole bag of mozzarella cheese on it. So you know how we going. How we rocking, huh?
Mine got cheese and pepperoni. That's it.
Okay. I'm not wanting the spaghetti. Let's see. I just had a piece of bread, y'all, so let's check it out.
Soft up here?
Oh, just how I like it. So, this is a story time / mukbang.
Not bad. It's a little overcooked, but it's not bad.
Mine perfect. So, Dave's gonna tell y'all when he was working at our pizza place.
No. You want to tell them when you made your homemade pizza.
Yeah. Men say, hold on, let me get some drink. I made some Kool-Aid, but I had it in this bottle, but I wanted it on.
You already starting off wrong.
Go ahead. Y'all, me and Davey had got together.
No. Oh,
what?
Okay. Never mind. Go ahead.
I know how to tell my story. So, let me refresh my mouth. You better go get your own.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. So, me and Davey had just got together. I think we was together for like a week.
That Kool-Aid off the shank.
And I know. We had just got together, like, I think it was like a week. And I was like, dang, I want some pizza. And at this time, I was driving, but I did not have my own car or whatever. And my mom and them was gone. And your girl wanted some pizza. So I was like, oh, we got pizza crust, but we ain't got no pizza sauce. We ain't got no pepperonis. But, you know, it's other types of pizza. So, yeah, I had got some ranch. And David, just like remind y'all, it was like a week into our relationship. Yeah, a week into our relationship. And y'all, yeah, a week. And so this piece is a little burnt, but it's good. So I got the pizza crust. I put ranch because there was no sauce, so I put ranch. And what was it? Chicken.
What you made the crust out of, dough?
No, we had the crust. Yeah, we had the crust. It was the one that's in the little can that you had to roll out.
Oh yeah.
And I put ranch, and then I had some shredded chicken over it. And Davey came back there. Oh, and I had put some of that orange sauce on it. The what is it, Thousand Island sauce on it. And Davey came back there and he was like, ew, what kind of pizza is that? Ew. And I'm like, it's pizza. He goes, that ain't no pizza. I said, you ain't something. He said, no, I'm not gonna eat no pizza. So, yeah, I'm like, he rude. I'm like, ooh, this little rude B-I-T-C-H, you know what I'm saying? Because I ain't expect him to say that because we had just got together for like a week.
don't know what that was.
Y'all, he ain't eating none of my pizza, but that pizza was good. It was supposed to be a
It looked like a sloppy Joe
no,
slash.
it was supposed to be a
taco.
buffalo pizza, y'all. It was good though. Oh, y'all see that cheese? I usually put my cheese in stuff off. I got something when you was breaking it on. Oh, pizza butter.
Ain't no stories to tell about that.
What you did that stuff?
Ain't do too much.
This is a big old pizza. I don't know how to eat y'all. And peppers and onions is here. Look. Don't put the pizza on 450 because it got a little overdone on the top, but it's still ooey, gooey, and chewy. It's so hot. Oh my gosh.
I don't want him. I don't want him. I want him. Ooh, my bad.
Look. Oh, good. Bigger than I was here. Ooh, so hot. You can put my drink right back.
What drink? Your drink right there.
Y'all see that cheese?
Y'all, the pizza good.
I didn't crack that.
Fell out my off my lap at work. At the work truck. Y'all, don't get me wrong. The little pizza good. It's just a little too crunchy. But it's better than that Wendy's mukbang we did.
No.
Huh?
No, it's not. It's real cheesy. No, ooh, that's so good. Yeah, I'm getting into them peppers. Them peppers, the onion. I forgot to pick up black olives. I was trying to get up out the stove. All them people in there, and some people was in there coughing. I wasn't going down them aisles. And then have some nerve to look at you like you ain't got no sense, but you over there coughing, baby. Ooh. So I want some black olives, but I was trying to get up out of there. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know what happened, but I hit a spot, and they got grease on grease on grease.
On that cheese that you got all in the middle. Oh, that's a good old piece. I can't drop that.
Baby, you want this?
Drink it. Drink it. Y'all, look at the cheese. Now,
Animal.
I your business.
Animal.
A little bit now.
Animal.
Okay. Want to take mine? Suit yourself. That is so goofy. It's so goofy. Yeah, I can't finish this pizza. It got really good right here.
Mine started getting good too, but too much grease.
No, not enough grease for me.
We gotta pour some of mine on yours.
It's so good right here, y'all. So this is better than the first pizza I have ever made. Okay?
Yeah, that part.
It's the first pizza I made. Okay, it wasn't hitting. But I agree with David. A pizza good, but it was too crunchy around the rim.
That part.
So I'm just picking the inside. So before
For now. You full?
how much you finished? Show them.
We got about the same.
Like how much I ate and that's how much you ate.
You done?
Oh, y'all seen that?
Y'all shit
So,
crazy.
I'm full. I'm gonna get some What?
Like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on post notifications if you already have it.
Yeah.
Let's get it.